Hi everyone, it's me again, Maria, and in this video guys, I'm gonna show you how I created my own custom chat GPT. I didn't code, I didn't guess, I just followed the proven from system that I'm going to share with you guys in this tutorial, so that you can create your own custom GPT. So without any further ado, let's go to my computer and I'm gonna show you guys how you can create your own custom GPT. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Alright, so without any further ado guys, let's go to my computer and let's do this. Alright, so now we are here in ChatGPT, and on your left side you click Explore GPT. And then you will see here on your right, you will click create. There is a create there. And if you already have your custom GPT, by clicking my GPTs, it's all inside of that my GPT. Okay, here are your GPTs. Once you click that, all the GPT you created is inside of your my GPT folder. But now let's create a new custom GPT. Alright, so on your right side, you will see the preview of how your GPT looks like. So from here, you're going to choose create or configure, and you will see the welcome message from ChatGPT. So here you will see the create and configure. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click configure. And as you see guys here, there is a name, description, instructions, and so on. So here on the name, you're going to type the name of your GPT. Like for example, if your niche is health and fitness, digital products. And then on the description, just type the name helps people understand its purpose. So what is your chat GPT all about? And on the instruction, this is where you're going to say, this is the most important part, the instruction, because this tells your GPT how to behave. So for the instruction, let's say for example, you're gonna type, you are a friendly assistant who helps beginners create digital products, and let's say explain in simple English. Yeah, so the clearer your instructions, the better your GPT works. Okay, so you can add more instructions there inside of the box. So let's put some names here on the top. So let's say digital products. Okay, and then for the description, just type what is your product all about. All right, so you can say this GPT helps people who's using digital products. Okay, and then your instructions, you can add more inside of that box. All right, all the instructions on how you want it to respond, things like that, the rules, you can put it there. Okay, and then after that, we're going to conversation starters. So first we're going to, let's say you will see that on your right side here guys on the preview. So for conversation starter, let's say help me to create a product. Okay, that's one. So as you see guys on the right, it's popping up there. So the next is give me business ideas. All right, you see guys on the in your right, it's popping up there. And one more, let's say one more. I can say, but you can create as many as you want, but for this tutorial, just gonna make like 3 conversation starter. So the next one is teach me step by step. All right, so now you see we have 3 conversation starter there guys that you can click and test later. We're gonna do that. So next is your knowledge. So if you have files about your products, go ahead guys and upload it. And yeah, I'm gonna use the GPT 5.2. And for the code, I think you don't need to check that, because that only used for if you're a developer. Then you can uncheck that box. That's all you have to do. You don't need to check that box anyway. So once you fill up all of those in the box, then you can create or click create on your right. But before we do that, so I'm gonna use one of these conversation starter. Okay, so I'm gonna click this one and I'm gonna say help me to create a product, I mean for your digital product. So okay, let's click this one and let's see how it looks like and what reply that we're gonna get. All right, so there you go. So here are some the step 1, step 2, step by step. So you have to decide what kind of product you want to create. Here are some suggestions. You can choose one of those, and since you're a beginner, so this is good for beginners who wants to sell digital products. You can choose one of those and then choose a simple problem to solve. There you go. All the information you need is in there. All right, so before you create, before you publish, test your custom GPT. That's the preview. You will see the preview here on your right side before you publish it. And when everything is okay and you're good to go, and then you're going to click, and then we're going to click create and publish it. So now here you have a choices. This is the name of your custom GPT, digital products, and of course your name will be written there. You can choose only me. You can choose anyone with a link. Yes, and the GPT store. All right, and just so you know, guys, that custom GPT can actually make money if you want to. I'm gonna show you a simple way how to put your AI behind the paywall so you can start monetizing also. So if you want to monetize this, you're gonna click the anyone with the link. So you can only give this custom GPT to those who have the link, for those who bought your GPT. But if you click GPT in store, so it's gonna be published into public. All right, so if you want to make money using your custom GPT, just click anyone with the link so that you can just send the link to those who buy your custom GPT. But some people are creating their custom GPTs, but they don't monetize them. So for your information, once you create your custom GPT, you can make money with it. You can sell it, things like that. That's why there are 3 options there that you can choose to copy the link and send it to your customers. All right, so before you leave, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload the new videos. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.